Okay, so I'm replacing my old eBay horn here. It's just not loud enough with the Wolo loud one. This is the low tone horn. It's quite hefty. Size wise, it's a little bit bigger. But yeah, so this is it. I'm going to install and see how it sounds like. This is the model 310-2T. See right there. Place it right there. So if you haven't changed a horn by yourself before, it's pretty straightforward. You basically got two terminals here, positive and negative, that just connects to the horn to power it. Now the other thing is that it's always got this kind of like bracket that hangs your horn. The thing is, you don't want the horn to be touching anything, because what happens is if it's like leaning against something, there's the way that the horn resonates, it just won't work that way. So that's why anytime you see a horn, it's always kind of like hanging off a bracket or something. So basically you just have to, in my case, they provide me with a new bracket. This is kind of rusty, so I'm gonna replace it. So all I have to do is do the 2 bolts, right? Or maybe in my case just this bolt, unplug the 2 terminals, and then you put the new one in. And again, make sure that the horn is not touching anything. And then you put the terminals back in, and that's how you place your horn. Okay, just going to do a quick test of the horn right now. So just remember, usually they're not marked in the back, so you're not sure which one's positive and minus. If it doesn't work, just reverse it, and then you'll know whether it's working or not. Okay, so let's just see how this horn sounds. That's pretty good. Okay, so here's the end result. I've replaced the bracket. Also comes with the new bolts, which I've used. Ground, I used this bolt, and I plugged it in. You see how everything's not really touching anything? It's free to kind of vibrate. That way it's the most optimal and loudest. And here we have the trumpet, I guess the opening where the sound comes out. Originally had it aimed this way so that, firing towards traffic, but then I realized, the way airflow, water could get in, so I'm just changed it to aim downwards. And now I'm just gonna tidy up the wires, and that's it for the horn.